Goodness comes and evil goes. Kimungo.
Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth. Karibu, welcome. My name is Kwende, and today is just a short message of thanks, Asante sana, many glorious blessings in the spirit of Kwanzaa, and the unfolding of a new annual cycle. So for those that have engaged and participated in the Kwanzaa season from the 26th of December through to the 1st of January, I hope that you enjoyed and had a tremendous time, a blessed time, because it really is meant to be that. It is meant to be a joyous occasion of celebration, joy, upliftment for African souls throughout the world, wherever we happen to be. And as we depart from that wonderful period of time and we enter a new annual cycle, we don't leave Kwanzaa behind. The essence of Kwanzaa still carries through, especially in regards to the Nguzo Saba, the 7 principles that are at the core of the celebratory period itself. These are principles that are with the African all year round. And so during the annual cycle, African souls can be gaining ever more traction in Umoja, can be gaining ever more traction in Kujichagulia, can be gaining ever more traction in Ujima, Ujama, Nia, Kuumba, and Imani throughout the cycle, so that when the celebratory Kwanzaa period comes round again, it becomes ever more enriched, ever more enlivened, ever more energized with all of the victories, successes, progress that has been made in regards to each of those wonderful principles. So Asante sana, much thanks for all the support, those that have liked, shared, subscribed to the channel and supported otherwise. And also may the forthcoming annual cycle be a magnificent one with all the thrust and traction for African ascension, global African ascendancy, and all of the wonderful rewards that surely will bring. So with that, food for thought, and surely it is food for thought. Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, Kimunga Ukombozi, divine liberty, divine liberation, divine freedom, and all that will bring for African people wherever we happen to be on the face of this earth.
Kwanzaa is for real. We've got to live our own greatness, reveal what we want. Kwanzaa value seal. We've got to be our own nations, yield what we